This time of year, you see tech bargains everywhere, especially on Black Friday, but be careful. I bought a 4TB drive in 2025 for 15 quid. Is it fake? Here's how to check yours safely on Windows 11. Okay, let's minimize this website out of the way. Go down to our File Explorer down here, left click, go across to this PC, and then you can see our USB stick plugged in. Then right click, go down to Show More, left click on Properties. As you can see, it thinks it's a 4TB drive, or just under. Okay, let's close this. Step 2, you need to check it with ValidiDrive. Where you find this website, you just go back to Chrome or your favorite browser, open up a new tab. I'll leave a link to this website down below. It's grc.com/ValidiDrive, ValiDrive.html. Should see this page. Scroll down, click on Download Now. You should get this exe in the top right hand corner. Left click. Say yes if you get the warning. Close the website down, minimize for now. Close this as well. So basically what you can do now is you plug in your USB stick or your drive you want to validate, and then you left click on check USB drive. So then what you can do then is it will take a while to finish. I've already done mine, so I'll show you the results. Save you sitting through it in this video. As you can see from the screenshot, the green area is actually the official storage capacity. The rest is completely fake. It literally doesn't exist. And if you try and copy any files, it'll just end up being corrupted and you'll lose your files. It's actually a 60 gig drive, not a 4TB drive. Somebody's used some software to reflash this drive to make it look like a 4TB drive. If you find this useful so far, hit like and subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Have you discovered any fake drives? Let me know, make and model down in the comments below. If you want to be 100% sure that it's a fake drive, you can download a piece of software called H2Test TW. I'll leave the link to this one down in the description as well. So go back to your favorite browser, open up a new tab, pin H2Test W, download. It should take you to this website. Agree to the cookies, you've got no choice. Click on download, download again. Just watch out for these fake pop-ups. Close that, that's fake. And then click on the folder in the top right corner. This is in a zip file, so we need to extract it. Right click it, and left click extract all. Go next, and then run the H2Test. Write it. Run as admin. Say yes. And this comes up, we'll change it to English. We'll select our target, go to this PC, choose our volume, choose all available space, click on verify. If you get a warning like this one, don't worry about this. Windows takes a small percentage of the memory of the USB stick, so this is nothing to worry about. Just click OK. Obviously, it's going to take a while, so I'm going to skip this for you to the end results. It crashed and I was able to get this screenshot before it completely closed down. As you can see, it failed with flying colors. So yeah, mine was definitely a fake, but with ValidiDrive and H2Test, you'll know exactly what you're dealing with before trusting it with your photos, videos, or precious files. 2 free tools, 1 quick test, sorted. If you check your drive, don't stop here. The next video on screen will take your PC even further. I'll see you over there.